Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of medicinal teas, a natural and often delicious way to support your health and well-being. We'll explore 12 amazing teas and their benefits. Let's get started. Chamomile tea. It's not just a pretty flower. This gentle tea has been used for centuries for its calming effects. Think of it like a warm hug for your nervous system. It's a natural way to unwind after a long day or ease into a peaceful night's sleep. Chamomile is packed with antioxidants, those powerful little compounds that help protect your cells from damage. Sipping on chamomile tea isn't just enjoyable, it's a way to show your body some love from the inside out. If counting sheep isn't cutting it, it might be time to turn to Valerian Root Tea. This potent root has been used for ages to address sleep issues like insomnia. Valerian root is a powerful ally for those seeking a more natural approach to better sleep. Lavender. Its aroma alone is enough to evoke a sense of calm. This fragrant tea can help to quiet a busy mind, melt away stress, and even prepare you for a restful night's sleep. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, brew yourself a cup of lavender tea and let the relaxation wash over you. Lemon balm tea is here to help. This citrusy tea has been traditionally used to ease anxiety and promote a sense of calm. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. And if stress tends to mess with your sleep, lemon balm tea can help there too. It promotes relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. So the next time stress has you feeling frazzled, reach for a calming cup of lemon balm tea and find your inner peace. Ginger tea is a powerhouse when it comes to relieving aches and pains, particularly those pesky aches caused by inflammation. Whether you're battling achy joints, muscle soreness, or menstrual cramps, ginger can be your new best friend. Plus, ginger is known to aid digestion, so it's a win-win for your overall well-being. Let's talk about hibiscus tea. Not only is it visually stunning with its vibrant colour, but it's also a heart-healthy choice. Hibiscus tea has been linked to lower blood pressure, which is a major plus for cardiovascular health. So sipping on hibiscus tea isn't just delicious and refreshing, it's a way to show your heart some love. Peppermint tea is a breath of fresh air. This invigorating tea is known for its ability to help clear the airways and ease congestion. It's a natural way to find relief from the discomfort of colds, the flu, or even allergies. It's also known to soothe digestive upset, making it an excellent choice after a meal. So the next time you're feeling stuffy or your stomach is feeling off, reach for a refreshing cup of peppermint tea. Pow Darko Tea might not be as well known as some of the others, but it's definitely worth exploring, especially if you're dealing with fungal issues. This powerful tea comes from the bark of a rainforest tree and has been traditionally used for its antifungal properties. It's believed to help fight off a variety of fungal infections. Pow Darko Tea is a testament to the incredible healing power of nature. Green tea. It's often hailed as a super drink, and for good reason. This popular tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins, which have been linked to a wide range of health benefits. From boosting brain health to supporting heart health, green tea is a versatile choice for overall wellness. It's also been shown to boost metabolism and aid in weight management. So, whether you're sipping it hot or enjoying it iced, green tea is a delicious way to give your body a healthy boost. Feeling bloated or gassy? Fennel tea to the rescue. This flavorful tea has been used for centuries to aid digestion and ease digestive discomfort. It works by relaxing the muscles in your digestive tract, which can help to relieve bloating, gas and cramps. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestion, fennel tea is a delicious and effective option. Feeling a cold coming on? Eunia tea can be your secret weapon. This immune-boosting tea has been used for generations to help ward off colds and infections. It works by supporting your body's natural defenses, giving your immune system the extra support it needs to fight off those pesky germs. So, next time you're feeling run down, reach for a cup of Eunia tea and give your immune system a helping hand. Dandelion tea is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxification. It's a natural diuretic, which means it can help to flush out excess water weight and toxins from your body. Dandelion tea is a gentle and effective way to give your body a little extra support in the cleansing department. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this exploration of medicinal teas helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and wellness advice. Until next time, happy sipping.